Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Okay, so here's the deal. If you're dating an emotionally unavailable woman, then listen up, because you'll need to pay close attention to what I'm about to say here. Dating emotionally unavailable women can be dangerous, and you need to be careful. And here's why. You see, women get this way because of past events. Maybe she had a really screwed up childhood. More likely, she is a girl with daddy issues. Or her first love cheated on her and she doesn't trust men anymore. Or she got dumped by the love of her life and is bitter about it. Or maybe she's just so focused on her career that she doesn't have time for a relationship. Or maybe she hates men for some reason. The point I'm trying to make is that she's got issues. And if you become involved with her, you're going to have to deal with these issues. You won't have a choice. But here's the good news. In this short video, you're going to learn about how to deal with emotionally unavailable women, and in turn, make her feel emotionally addicted to you. Sounds good? Before we start though, could you help me out? Look underneath this video and click on the like button, because you really encourage me to make more of these videos for you if you do that. So help me by clicking like. I'll wait here. Done clicking like? Great. Let's start now. Okay, I'll kid you not. Maintaining an emotionally unavailable relationship is hard work. You need to decide if you're willing to put in the time and effort. Also realize that if you do get her to open up, what comes out should be disturbing. And most importantly, if she does share her feelings with you, there's a good chance she's going to fall deeply in love with you. She might just completely transform into someone who's clingy and insecure. So be careful, especially if you decide to make her emotionally addicted to you. And after you learn this one technique from me later in this video, you'll have the ability to make any woman develop an emotional addiction to you. It's true. Now here's the other option. You can keep it casual. You see, here's the thing. A lot of the time, emotionally guarded women aren't interested in any type of permanent relationship. They just want to hang out and have casual hookups. These types of women will sleep with a lot of guys, and they are usually pretty good in bed. Think about those dead-eyed porn stars who seem to be able to turn off their emotions at will. In that case, my advice is to enjoy yourself and don't worry too much about her. If she wants to sleep with you, then great. Just don't develop feelings or expect anything more. Make sense? Also, realize that it's entirely up to her if things are going to go further, and there's very little that you can do. Just be sure that she doesn't overstep her boundaries and become controlling. Trust me, you don't want a dominating woman in your life trying to control everything about you. Finally, watch out for emotionally unavailable women who fake their feelings. There are women out there who will express deep feelings for you. Meanwhile, they couldn't care less and are only out to use and abuse. These are the types of girls who will empty your bank account while cheating on you with multiple guys. Or she might just want to play mind games on you. You know, put you on a leash and make you do tricks. Or she's a narcissistic person and she's just using you to feel good about herself. So be careful and try not to become too emotionally involved, alright? Avoid falling head over heels in love and try to hold back your feelings until you're 110% sure. That way, if things don't work out, the damage to your life won't be that severe. And you know what? This is also why mind control techniques like fractionation are so powerful. We'll talk more about fractionation in a short while. If you like this video, then I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Just scroll down, find the big red subscribe button and click it. Go on, do it. Done subscribing? Great. Now let's continue. With fractionation, it doesn't seem like you're trying to pick her up, unlike pickup artist tricks where it becomes too obvious that you're hitting on her. Plus, there's no need to commit yourself to a relationship. You can do it under the radar and it feels like a normal conversation. she will never know what's going on. Using fractionation, she will open up and become emotionally involved with you, little by little. And she will eventually surrender herself to you, mind, body, and soul. It has happened hundreds of times for me and my fellow Shogun Method students. With fractionation, you'll get a woman to open up to you on a deep level, and soon you'll know everything about her. And if she's emotionally unavailable, then you'll soon find out the reason. Abuse, child delinquency, daddy issues, you name it. Being emotionally unavailable is simply a woman's way to deal with a shitty life. And you know what? If your ex-girlfriend or wife is showing the traits of being an emotionally unavailable woman, then you'll need to dig deep. I'll show you how to do this next, but the thing to understand is this. The truth is that going after emotionally unavailable women can be hard work. You'll be in a world of hurt if you don't know what you're doing. This is why a mind control technique like fractionation can be so powerful when dealing with an emotionally guarded female. As a mind control expert, I can tell you this. Fractionation gives you the ability to effortlessly avoid a woman's defenses and penetrate deep into her soul. When done correctly, she will fall helplessly in love with you and surrender her mind, body, and soul. And the best part is that she will have no idea why. She just thinks that you're her soulmate for understanding her deeply, unlike the other guys who are just trying to get into her floral panties using lame pickup artist lines. Now, here's a small problem. Because this video is already coming to an end, it's hard for me to share with you the entire fractionation technique in the remaining time. Here's the good news though. You can learn it from where I learned it from, Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass. In it, you'll discover how to use fractionation to get to the root of an emotionally unavailable woman and make her emotionally addicted to you quickly if you want. You'll sign up for the masterclass because it's your best bet to put an emotionally unavailable woman under your control. A link will come up in your video right now. To join the masterclass, click on the link and follow the instructions.